Hey y'all, today's video we're going to go over how to take a PDF or a document type of thing that has multiple pages and shrink it down to 1 or 2 pages. The reason you might want to do this is, let's say that you have a document with a bunch of different things in it and you are trying to send just 1 or 2 pages to somebody and you don't want them to see the entire thing, so you can shrink it down, or you just want to save it as something on its own. So I'm going to show you how you can turn a 10-page document into a 1 or 2 page document. Okay, so we're going to take the document that has multiple things in it. For me, it's over here on the right, this PDF example. I'm going to click on it and open it up. Now you can see that it has 10 pages a couple of ways. If you have these options over here on the left, you can scroll down and see it's got 10 pages, or up here on the top, it says page whatever number you're on out of 10. So it's telling you that there's 10 pages here. If you don't have this here on the left, yours might look like this, where it's just the documents. Now, if we click this little option up here on the top and then say thumbnails, we now get the options where we can see multiple pages. Now, I have the same page over and over again, but each one's its own thing. Now, if I want to take this 10-page document or file and turn this into 1 or 2 only, let's say I want to email just 1 page, let's say this first page to somebody, then what we want to do is first, if I make the changes to this and save that, I'm no longer going to have a document that has all 10 pages. I might want to keep that original 10 so that I have the original and I still want the other pages, but I just don't want this other person to have it. So what I'm going to do is up here on the top left, I'm going to come to File, Duplicate. We're going to click that and it's going to create a second file here. You can see right here it's asking me to name it, PDF example copy. So I'm going to put PDF example 2. I'm going to press return or enter on my keyboard. And now over on the right, you can see that I have 2 different files. Now I can close this original one, and now I'm working on this smaller one. I can choose which one I want to work on. Now, if I want to delete one of these pages, the easiest way to do this is over here on this, having this thumbnail options over here. So again, that was clicking here and going to thumbnails. Having these, I want to pick which ones that I want to send to somebody. So let's say I want 1 and 2 to be in a file that I will send to somebody. So I want to delete 3 through 10. So if I click on 10, then I can come to my keyboard and click delete. Now you can say it says 9, and up here it says 9 of 9, which means I got rid of a page. I can do that again. Now I'm at 8, now I'm at 7. Just keep clicking delete on the ones you don't want. Another thing that you can do is, let's say I want to delete 3 through 7. If I just click on it, it's just going to switch between which one I'm on. But if I click on it and then click shift and then click the lower number, notice how all of these are highlighted. See how they're blue? All of these are selected. So if I click delete now, I only have 2 pages left. Now I want to make sure I save this, and I can do that one of 2 ways. I can say File, Save, or I can press Command S on my keyboard. So now I'm going to close out this file, and I'm going to open it up so that you can see that it's saved as 1 and 2. So this is the first one where I still have all 10 pages. Fantastic. And then this is the second one that only has 2 pages. Fantastic. So now if I want to send this one to somebody, I've got it, and it's a little bit easier and more simplified. So that's how you can kind of shrink something to make it have less pages in it. And one of those examples is just sending it to somebody, or if you just want that for yourself. All right, hope that helps. As always, please, if you liked it, hit that subscribe or the thumbs up button. And if you've got questions on things that you're not sure of, reach out, let me know, and I'm happy to jump on and make a video like this one helping you out.